Wouldn't it be remarkable to have a heads up when illness is looming, giving you a chance to take preemptive action? While that foresight isn't always feasible with common ailments like the flu or a cold, there are crucial indicators of a potentially serious issue, such as a blood clot, that demand attention. But before diving into those signs, let's establish what exactly a blood clot entails. What is a blood clot? A blood clot transcends its simplistic appearance as merely a mass of blood. It's a transformation in the blood state, shifting from its fluid form to a more gel-like consistency. Picture the process akin to what occurs when you sustain a cut. Initially, there's bleeding, but then the blood coagulates, transitioning into a semi-solid state, effectively staunching the flow. But there are times when blood clots are more cautious, like when one sets inside of your major veins. This is convened as deep vein thrombosis, DVT. The most common warning signs of DVT include fever, chills, chest pain or tightness, shortness of breath, lightheadedness, and fatigue. If the blood clot remains where it is in your physique, it's usually not dangerous, but if left untreated, it can go across through your veins to your heart and lungs. A blood clot in the lungs is known as pulmonary embolism, PE. This can be harmful and needs medical attention. More than 900,000 Americans in a year are concerned by DVT with PE, as per the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Approximately 100,000 Americans die from these kinds of blood clots each year. While the symptoms of a blood clot depend on the kind of blood clot you're suffering, it's essential to be able to identify the warning signs of blood clots before they get worse. Signs of a blood clot. Here are the 9 warning signs of a blood clot that you should never ignore. These are described below. 1. Racing heart. A blood clot in your lungs may be hampering the flow of oxygen in your lungs, and a quick heart rate may arise. In understandable terms, the heart is striving to reimburse for the shortage and may start beating rapidly. 2. Chest pain. Many individuals experiencing a pulmonary embolism mistake it for a heart attack due to the similarity in symptoms. If you're feeling sharp or stabbing pain that worsens when you take a deep breath, it could be a warning sign of a blood clot. This discomfort may intensify with each breath you take. 3. Shortness of breath. A blood clot in your lung might bring difficulties to inhale due to the slow oxygen flow. You might unexpectedly feel faint, like you're around to lose consciousness. 4. Unexplained cough. Many individuals typically associate a cough with a common cold or strep throat. However, if you suddenly develop a dry cough without any apparent cause, it could be a potential sign of a pulmonary embolism. Should you start coughing up mucus or blood, it's crucial to seek medical assistance immediately. 5. Skin discoloration. If you are suffering from deep vein thrombosis, it may result in a patch or streak of redness on your arm or leg. It might also feel warm and tender when you touch it. 6. Sudden swelling. If you see one ankle or shin unexpectedly come to be swollen, this could indicate deep vein thrombosis. This might occur if blood flow in the legs is being obstructed, resulting in blood pooling behind the clot and puff up. 7. Arm or leg pain. This might hardly seem like muscle cramping, but pay attention if the pain is awful when you're stepping or turning your foot upward. 8. Vomiting. If you retain mesenteric ischemia, a fancy way of telling a blood clot in your abdomen, it could cause you to become nauseous and heave. This usually goes along with awful pain in the abdomen area. 9. Impaired vision. Can't notice well out of one of your eyes? It could be a clue of central retinal artery occlusion, particularly if vision loss is associated with vertigo and balance problems.